Good morning, students, and welcome back to your geography classes. So, in the last video, we have completed with chapter 4, that is minerals and resources. So, today we shall begin with a new chapter, that is chapter 5, North America, location, political divisions, and physical features. So, in the previous chapters, that is chapter 2, we have studied about these different continents, and North America is one of them. So, in this chapter, we shall have a detailed study at North America. So, I'm sure all of you have heard of Christopher Columbus, right? So, who is Christopher Columbus? Christopher Columbus, he was an Italian explorer and navigator who completed 4 voyages across the Atlantic Ocean, which opens a way for the European exploration and colonization of America. So he is the one who discovered America. Alright, so now let us start right away. North America ranks as the third largest continent in the world. America, or the New World, was discovered by Christopher Columbus in 1492. Prior to Columbus, the Vikings had led exploratory journeys, although their pursuits were not broadly known in the Old World. In 1507, the New World came to be known as America, probably named after Amerigo Vespucci, an Italian cartographer, explorer, and navigator. So, North America is the third largest continent in the world, and it was discovered by Christopher Columbus in 1492. Now, why is America called the New World? Now, the other continents, they were unknown to the Europeans before their discoveries. So, after Columbus discovered the American continents, the worlds of Europe, Africa, and Asia, they were referred to as the Old World, while the Americas were called the New World. And this started early in the 16th century after America was colonized. So, before the discovery of America, the whole world was not aware of their existence. Only Europe, Africa, and Asia was popular. But after the discovery of America, these continents, that is Europe, Africa, and Asia, they were referred to as the Old World. Now, before Columbus discovered America, the Vikings, they had also taken this numerous journey which was unknown to the world, or to the Old World. So these Vikings, they are the seafaring people who lives in the late 8th and 11th century. So it was a modern name given to the Scandinavian people. So these Vikings, they mostly spend their lives attacking the ships, raided them, robbed off the belongings, traded, and settled in different parts of Europe. So America, it was named after an Italian cartographer, explorer, and navigator, Amerigo Vespucci. So let's look at the location. North America appears triangular and lies in the northern and the western hemisphere. So if you look clearly at this world map, you will see that it is in the north and in the western hemisphere, and it appears triangular in shape. How does it appear triangular in shape? Let me show you. Now this is the map of North America. Now you see the bottom part of the map is very narrow and it takes the shape of a triangle, right? It is surrounded by the Arctic Ocean in the north, the Atlantic Ocean in the east, the Pacific Ocean in the west, and the Caribbean Sea in the south. The Bering Strait separates it from Asia. The Isthmus of Panama joins North America and South America. The huge continent lies approximately between 5 degrees north to 84 degrees north latitude and from 45 degrees west to 165 degrees west longitudes. The 100-degree west meridian is important as it passes through the middle of North America. So this is the location of North America. We have also studied its location in the previous chapter, that is in chapter 2. So if you look clearly or carefully at the world map, you will find that North America, it is surrounded by these oceans: the Arctic Ocean in the north, Atlantic Ocean in the east, Pacific Ocean in the west, and the Caribbean Sea in the south. And it is separated from Asia by the Bering Strait. And the Isthmus Panama joins the North America and the South America. So it lies between 5 degrees north to 84 degrees north latitude and 45 degrees west to 165 degrees west longitudes. And the 100-degree west meridian is important as it passes through the middle of North America. So this is how it takes the shape of a triangle. Now, political division. The two largest countries in this continent are Canada and the United States of America. So if you look clearly at the political map of North America, you will find that these states, the countries, the Canada, the United States and Mexico, they are the three largest countries of North America. The two largest countries in this continent are Canada and the United States of America, both of which are situated to the north of the Tropic of Cancer. So if you look clearly here in this particular map, you will find that United States and Canada lies ahead of the Tropic of Cancer, that is in the north, alright? Canada is the largest country of America, followed by the United States of America and Mexico. These three countries together cover 95% of the total area of the continent. So this is the political map of North America. Now you see Canada, United States and Mexico. The continent becomes narrower towards the south. As I have shown you in the previous slides, that's why it takes the shape of a triangle, right? It is becoming smaller towards the south. The countries of Nicaragua, Guatemala, Panama, Honduras, Costa Rica, El Salvador and Belize form the Central America. So these countries form Central America. Cuba, Dominican Republic, Haiti and the many tropical islands of the Caribbean Sea that are popularly called the West Indies or the Caribbean Islands, they are independent countries. So these countries, they are called the West Indies or the tropical islands because they are located towards the south and the north of equator, and they have a warm and humid climate because the sun is clearly overhead. All right. So to the north of the continent, there are many islands, of which Greenland is the largest. So Greenland is the largest island of the world and comes under Denmark. So this Greenland, it is found in North America. Baffin Island and Victoria Island are the two of the largest islands located in and around Hudson Bay. So the Hudson Bay is, if you look clearly at this physical features of North America, you will find that these two islands, that is the Baffin Island and the Victoria Island, they are located around Hudson Bay. So Hudson Bay is in Canada, alright? So it is in Canada. Now the Baffin Island is the fifth largest island in the world, and it is the largest island of Canada. And Victoria Island, it is the second largest island of Canada. The Greenland is the world's largest island located between the Arctic and the Atlantic Ocean. Now, the other important islands are the Newfoundland and the Aleutian Islands. Now, the Newfoundland, it is located in the eastern province of Canada, whereas the Aleutian Islands, it is the like most of the Aleutian Islands belong to the US, that is in the state of Alaska. The continent has a very long coastline, fairly indented with many large ports located on the coast. So, what is a coastline? So, the coastline is a line which forms a boundary between the ocean or a lake. So, this continent, it has a very long coastline and it is fairly divided with many large ports located on the coast. So, we shall stop here for today. In the next video, we shall continue with the physical features. So these are the political divisions of North America. Thank you.